today I will be attaching a shank button. So here I have my piece of fabric, a threaded needle. I threaded it doubly. I doubled it. Yes, I doubled it. And here I have my shank button. So I have a little shank at the back. You can see it. So first I'm going to center my fabric and place the needle through the center of it, just like this, and bring it through. I'm going to make a small knot. Just like that to secure it. Then I'm going to take my button and turn it away from me like this. Then I'm going to take my thread and bring it back through the knotted end and then through the shank, just like that. And I'm going to do this 3 to 4 times just to ensure that it is well secured. So I did it one time. I'm going to repeat the steps now. See, I'm going to repeat one last time. There it is. Now I'm going to wrap my thread around the shank to ensure that it is secure at least 1 or 2 times. So I did it 2 times. Then I'm going to release it and then push it back through the knot towards the back, just like that. There it is. Now I'm going to knot it at the back now to ensure that it is fully secured, just like that. And then push it through. And then I'm going to remove the excess threads. There I go, cutting it off just like that. Okay. And there you have it. I attached a shank button. There it is. There it is. Not really noticeable at the back, so it is not tight and not too loose, it's just right. And